So YouTube SEO is when people search something on YouTube, they don't want something very specific on YouTube, then YouTube shows them the best video that will keep them on YouTube longer because YouTube wants money, and the longer YouTube keeps you on the platform, the more money they make. So YouTube picks the best performing video that the viewer search for, but that's not always the case. And when the YouTuber makes a video, YouTube tests that video out for our audience to see how that video ranks, and then ranks accordingly to how it performs in front of our audience. If it does better than other videos, then it will rank higher, but if it does worse, it will rank lower. But here's some more good news. YouTube will eventually rank your video because there's many factors that go into ranking a video. If you want to see what they are, click on the video you see on the screen now and I'll see you there.